William Shakespeare has written a few plays, and one of them is Hamlet. Hamlet was a young prince. His father died suddenly, and immediately his mother married his uncle. So Hamlet was really upset. Then in the play, in soliloquy, that means he speaks to himself. He says, to be or not to be, this is the question. To be or not to be, this is the question. What that means. What shall I do? Shall I do this or shall I do that? Shall I go this path or shall I take this path? Same situation we find in Jesus' life. In today's gospel we heard, Jesus comes to his own hometown, Nazareth, where he was brought up. He grew there, he worked there. People knew him, and he goes to the synagogue to teach them. Instead of being happy and welcoming him, they are criticizing him. So Jesus must have thought, what shall I do? Shall I do this or shall I do that? They were not interested to listen to him. They knew who he was. Therefore they said, from where did he get all this knowledge and wisdom? Is he not the carpenter's son? And his mother, Mary, don't we know? His brothers and sisters, that means his cousins, don't we know? This story, which happened in Jesus' life, happens in our times today also.